should show them the cup.
Here, you can hold it if you want.
This is yes.
This is the Stanley Cup, if you didn't know. This is for the pond hockey. What is the official? Make this right. Pond Hockey Classic in Meredith, New Hampshire. They started it in 2010, and they wanted a cup, Stanley Cup, made out of a log. And so I turned this on a lathe, and I've been getting it back every year to burn the last year's winners' names in there, and it's kind of cool because they put well, they don't put coffee in it, put beer in it, and share it. And yeah, this happens every year up in Meredith, and it's a really cool event. Brings in a lot of money to the area. People they say you can't even find a hotel room on that weekend.
I know, I've driven through Meredith that weekend.
It's nuts.
Chaotic.
You usually try to go around if time is of the essence. But it's neat to see such a festival going on.
And eventually this will all be completely covered with names. It's the team names, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the winners of each division. And I'll have to teach my daughter how to lay them out.
How to do it. Carry on the tradition. And eventually you'll have to, or she'll have to add. It'll be 3 times as tall. So.
Or they'll have to make a new one and have a collection of them. But yeah. And that was made out of basswood, just for the record.